back to the channel real quick, man. 2008, 2007, it's a Charger, Dodge Charger. Suspension. I know, suspension work at home on the ground. That is not easy, but it's a little emergency state. Typical Sunday, man. Y'all know me, I like to make a little bread on Sunday if I'm caught up on everything else. Alright, I always get caught up on everything else. Go do your, whatever your religious beliefs, go handle that, take care of that. If it's rest you need, try to take care of that. Whatever it is you do on Sunday, continue to do it. I just have a little off free time right now, so I decided to make me some money. Now how I'm gonna go about making some money is this. We're getting ready to replace this. Now, it's weird because at the dealership, we call this a tensioner strut. Okay, now in the aftermarket world, they call it a lower control arm. It's not really a lower control arm because this suspension system is kind of unique. I'm going to show y'all in a second. But yeah, this is what I'm getting ready to replace. Like I say, I'm at home on the ground, so y'all wish your boy luck. It's nothing to it. I'll go over it with you, and we can do it together, man. All right? No big deal. All right, let me take this, show y'all something, what's going on, how we going to accomplish this feat. All right, so again, we're getting ready to replace the tensioner strut. Some people call it lower control arm. To me, this is the lower control arm, all right? Because it's, it's bolted to the frame, K-frame. All right, so this is what I'm getting ready to replace. It is extremely loose, making all kinds of noise. All right, I'm gonna put some gloves on. We're gonna get this out. Pretty easy, man. I think I did one of these in the shop, and I filmed it. So it's the same situation. You might have to lower the cover. Matter of fact, you will, in order to gain access to this bolt right here. That's an 18 millimeter. Simply turn that till the bolt come out. Raise this up. This might be your biggest challenge right here. Okay, getting the bolt off on the bottom of that. Just in case you hope you brought your big hammer with you. If not, you would need something like a pitman arm puller or something like that. But any rate, it's coming out of here. So I'm getting ready to replace this, y'all. Alright, let's get with it. Alright, like I say, you're gonna need a 18 millimeter. I got my big long 18 millimeter wrench. So you can simply turn this. It was kind of tight breaking loose, so I got it broke loose. Now, if this other side bolt moves, which it looks like it is turning, you just simply need to put a wrench on the opposite side. What I'm gonna do is, all you gotta do is put a wrench on the other side so that nut will not turn as you ratchet the complete bolt off. So that's what I'm doing now. So breaking it loose, you won't need the other wrench, but once you get it broke loose, the other end will try to turn. In fact, it will turn on its own. So you simply grab a wrench and put on the other end. All right, let's get this nut off. We'll speed this up. Alright, I got both nuts off now. Because this has been in there, this wedged in there, it's okay to use a hammer. Also, simply because you're not going to reuse this, it's also okay to bang on this. You want to bang that straight upward so you can get this whole joint out of this lower control arm, out of this spindle. Alright, so what I'm going to do is lay the camera down and bang on this a second so we can get this out. Then pretty much you home city from there. All right, let's get with it. All right, I got it out. Like I say, simply all you have to do is bang on it a little bit. Now that you got it out, simply lift this out of the spindle. Get it out of there. Now you can reach in there and grab the bolt. Grab this long bolt, slide it out. There you have it right here. Now it's a matter of finagling the broken tensioner strut out of its place. Here you go right here, ladies and gentlemen. It wasn't that hard. The only thing hard about it is busting this loose out of the, the spindle. Busting the joint out of the spindle. Sometimes they fall out, sometimes they pretty painful to get out. Sometimes you'll need like a pitman arm puller to get it out. Alright, so I have my new one here. We're gonna get it installed. Simply reverse the procedure you use to remove it. That's pretty much it, man. It's my Sunday in a nutshell. I'm finna make a little extra money putting this tensioner strut. Like I say, AutoZone, Advanced Auto, they tend to want to call it a lower control arm. But to me, it's not a lower control arm, alright? I went over earlier on what I think, my thoughts on that. Now, will you need an alignment by doing this? Some people say yes. I didn't really mess with toe. I didn't really mess with camber, for that matter, nor caster. Camber and caster is not even adjustable on this car. And like I say, I didn't take the tie rod off, so I didn't really technically mess with the toe. So you probably can get away without doing an alignment, but to be on the safe side, if you got the extra money, go get your alignment checked. But I'm not going to get this one checked. I'm simply put the tensioner strut in, and that's pretty much a wrap. So like I said, I got them both out. Simply reverse the procedure of removing it, and you should be home free. All right, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.